Hello traders, you're welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. In this video, we are going to be discussing the Blox Expert Advisor. It is built around the pending order strategy using TMA, which is triangular moving average logic. Quick note for you before we start. If you want a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 with plenty of built-in indicators and candlestick patterns, the link is in the description below. Now, with respect to the platform compatibility, this expert advisor Blox EA is built for MetaTrader 4. All right, now let's just quickly walk through the marketplace page from the top. It is developed by Sense JK Oizejuzisa. Currently version 1.1, last updated on the 29th of December 2025 with 10 activations. It is priced at 750 US dollars to buy or 650 US dollars to rent for 3 months. The page also notes a scheduled price increase as remaining copies become limited. So that is worth checking before deciding. Now, according to the description, Blox takes what the developer calls one of the more powerful discretionary strategies of 2025 and turns it into a fully automated EA based on TMA with CG logic. It is built around precision entries, smart pending orders, and strict risk control, and it is described as suitable for Forex pairs as well as gold. The page is specific that it works best on ECN accounts with spreads below 10 points, which the developer says is needed for accurate pending order execution and minimum slippage. Now, on the features, the page lists a pending order strategy using buy stop and sell stop orders with smart trailing that keeps those pending orders at an optimal distance as price moves. There is an optional reverse trading mode built in auto lot money management, a time filter, and a moving average filter, consecutive trade protection to help limit drawdown during strong trending moves against the system, and an advanced trailing stop for positions once they're active. Now, digging into the settings, max consecutive trades caps how many trades can stack in the same direction, specifically to reduce drawdown risk in a strong trend. Pending distance sets how far pending orders sit from current price, and trail pending lets them follow price to maintain that distance. There is a time filter with configurable start and end times to avoid low liquidity or high news periods. Auto lot sizing based on account balance and usual stop loss, take profit, trailing start and distance, and slippage controls. The TMA indicator itself has its own settings, all right, including smoothing length and bandwidth for volatility sensitivity. The developer's own recommendations are an ECN broker spread below 10 points, a VPS for stable operation, and testing on demo before going live. All right, so now let's just get into the historical testing. And I want to walk through this one carefully because the result itself needs some context. All right, so this test ran on Euro USD. It ran on Euro USD on the M5 time frame on a RoboForex Pro Cent account with an initial deposit of $10,000. A few things stood out before we even get to the outcome. First, the spread shown for this test was 14 points, which is above the developer's own recommended threshold of under 10 points for accurate pending order execution. Second, the account type used here was a cent account, whereas the developer specifically recommends an ECN account. And third, the modeling quality for this particular test came out to about 75%, with the actual price data reflected in the trade log only covering a 2-day window in mid July. All right. despite a much broader test period being selected. So, given all that, here is what the test actually showed: zero completed trades over the entire period and a net result of exactly $0. Looking at the order log itself, there was plenty of activity. Okay, there was actually plenty of activity if you go through the order log. Meanwhile, if you also go through the journal, you would see that there were actually attempts. You can see the buy stop, sell stop orders being executed, but the orders seemed to have always been cancelled. All right. So one thing I'm going to mention is that if you want to make use of this EA, you have to stick to the developers or the seller's recommendations. All right, and you can try testing it yourself to see if you're going to have a different result. Okay, so you'll see that there was plenty of activity. Pending buy stop and sell stop orders were placed and continuously trailed as price moved, but none of them were ever triggered into an actual open position by the time the test data ended. So based purely on what this specific test shows, I can't offer a genuine performance read here, because no trades were actually completed. Given the spread and account type both sitting outside the developer's own stated recommendations, along with the shorter than expected window of usable price data, this looks more like a test worth rerunning under the intended conditions than a real reflection of how Blox performs. All right. So to wrap up, based on the available information, Blox is built around a pending order, a TMA based strategy with a fairly specific set of recommended conditions, including an ACN broker, tight spread, and a VPS. Okay. But if you look at the expert advisors display here on the MQL5 marketplace, um we can see based on the provided report here, it seems to have quite an interesting balance curve. Okay, so I'm just going to recommend that you test this EA yourself, all right, over a longer period, and see if you're going to have, different set of results. Okay, this particular test did not meet those conditions and produced no completed trades as a result. So I'll genuinely recommend retesting this one on an ECN account with a spread under 10 points and full quality tick data before drawing any conclusions about how it actually performs. All right, so if you found any value in this video, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and also turn on your notifications so that you do not miss out on more valuable trading content like this. In the meantime, thank you for watching. See you in the next one.